Hey everybody, could you use some good news? Well, let's start with this. Researchers at Harvard have created an incredibly versatile new material. The material's design is inspired by the Japanese art of origami and can be folded, bent, and shaped into a wide variety of forms. Best of all, the material can be shaped, folded flat, and then reshaped or formed into different shapes. The properties of the material can also be tuned, making it stiffer or more flexible depending on the application. The potential applications for this material are virtually limitless. The engineers that designed it speculate that it could be used for large-scale jobs, like creating pop-up shelters for those displaced by disasters, and small-scale jobs, like surgical stents. The paper on this remarkable new material is published in the journal Nature Communications. Next up, new research supported by the National Institutes of Health may help to explain how the brain is able to use past experiences to make informed decisions. A team at NIH's National Institute of Mental Health has identified the specific system within the brain that activates when a choice has to be made, allowing us to mentally replay past experiences. This system allows the area of the brain which specializes in remembering locations to communicate with the decision-making area of the prefrontal cortex. It should be noted that this research was conducted on rats, not humans. It even made use of the classic rat in a maze experiment. But lest you think that makes it irrelevant, remember that neuroscientists study rats because their brains are actually quite like ours in many ways. So the key that unlocks a mystery within a rat's brain could very well fit the same lock in our own. Results of this study are published in the journals Neuron and Nature. And finally, a new study finds that implementing 3 laws at the national level could drastically reduce the number of gun deaths in the United States. The study, led by researchers at Boston University and published in The Lancet, examined how effective state gun control laws were at actually reducing the number of gun deaths. It found that only 9 out of 25 laws studied could actually be associated with a decrease in the number of deaths. It also found 9 laws, including the controversial Stand Your Ground statutes that are on the books in 23 states, that actually increase gun-related mortality. Most significantly, the study concluded that laws mandating 3 measures, ballistic imprinting, background checks for ammunition purchases, and universal background checks for all firearm purchases could reduce gun-related deaths in the U.S. by 80% if implemented at the federal level. To put that in human terms, it would save an estimated 25,000 lives a year. That would be good news, don't you think? An amazing new material can be folded into a structure of almost any shape. Researchers identify the brain circuitry that enables informed decisions, and a new study finds that 3 laws could prevent 4 out of 5 American gun deaths. That's the good news. Hey folks, we hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it and share it and subscribe to this channel if you're not subbed already. And also please consider helping me to make more videos like this one by supporting this channel through Patreon. You can go to patreon.com/Steve Shives to become a patron. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time, won't we, Odd again? She says yes.